Hello, today I'm making my easy meat sauce. This is good with pasta, or you could put it in jacket potatoes. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. 500 grams of ground beef. That is about 1 pound. 1 can of tomatoes. 1 cup of onion. Tomato paste this size. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 teaspoon salt, pepper, and oregano. Let's go to the cooker. I have olive oil in my pan. I will add 1 cup of onion and stir for 3 minutes. Now we'll add the beef and cook for 5 minutes. Now we'll add the garlic and cook for 2 minutes. Now we will add the oregano, pepper, and salt. And the tomato paste. And cook for 4 minutes. Now we'll add the tomato and cook for 6 minutes. Job done. This is my easy meat sauce. I like this with spaghetti, but you can use another pasta if you want. That's it. Thank you very much. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.